In this video, I'll show you how you can protect your Excel sheet with a password. Now this is super simple guys, so let's get straight into it. First, what you want to do is you want to open up your Excel sheet, and from in here, go to File and come to Info. In the Info tab, you will have an option to protect your workbook, and what you want to do is press on this and then encrypt with a password. So let me just press on it. Let me choose my password 1234, press OK, confirm it, and OK once again. And as you can see, it is now protected. So what you want to do is you want to save it. So save it somewhere. Let's say I want to save it as Excel password, and I'll save it on my desktop. So let's put it on the desktop. Password, save. Now if I close this down, and as you can see I just saved it, if I open up this, there will be a password protection. And as you saw, I chose 1234, so I'll type that, press OK, and it will now open up. So that's basically how you can protect your Excel with a password, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.